Welcome in online training and testing schemes in wine education. We are in the section of advanced sensory evaluation and wine testing. In this section, we are focused on aged bouquet. Aged wine depends of temperature and time. And of course, if the wine is in bottle or in barrel. The aromatic evolution of wine comes from attenuation fruit odors to increase in floral, dry fruit, and honey odors in the aged bouquet. Of course, if the wine is in barrel, the volatile components of good pass to the wine, given, for example, Guaiacol components, bouquet of a smoker, the eugenol give the notes of cloves, whiskey lactons give notes of coconuts, oak, and so on. The bouquet derives from complex reaction involving the formation of reducing substances and the harmonization of aromas derived from the grapes, those produced during fermentation, alcoholic and malolactic, and those related to the agent, for example, wood. The wine shelf life depends of the temperature of the cellar and the humidity of the cellar. For example, 6 months for novel wines, 1 year for rosé, 1 year for sweet sparkling, 1 or 2 years for still white wines, 2 years for light red, 10 and 15 years for straw liqueur wines. Thank you.